Hey guys, you ever want to get yourself connected to the internet remotely but don't have a WAN card in your system? Well, this is a little device I found on AliExpress and eBay that lets you do it with any WAN card that you can get, and this is what it's being uploaded with. So it didn't cost me but I think $9 and change, but I'll put a link in the description below. So I put an HP card in there, and so far it's working great. I'm connected to YouTube right now via this connection, and it's giving me 6 megabits upload, 4 megabits download, which is good enough for quick stuff on the go. So just took my standard T-Mobile SIM card, put it in the adapter, and slid it in there. Works just great, you know. But you will have to print a casing for it. Since they're so inexpensive, it does the best it can do. I'll probably put a link to a 3D printed case for this when I make one. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. Have a great day.